हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर हमने रिलेशन पर एक क्वेश्चन लिया है और वो क्वेश्चन ये है लेस देन इक्वल्स टू पे। मीन्स इस सिंबल पे ये सभी रिलेशन सेटिस्फाई करते हैं या नहीं। चलिए देखते हैं जल्दी से कि ये सभी रिलेशंस के आंसर क्या होने वाले हैं इस पर्टिकुलर लेस देन इक्वल्स टू रिलेशन पे। सो रिलेशन ये बोलता है कि एक्स कॉमा वाई, एक्स एंड वाई का जो बेसिकली क्या हो सकता है वो दिस इज अ सिंबल ऑफ इंटीजर। सो इट मीन्स एक्स एंड वाई बोथ आर इंटीजर्स। सो इफ दीज टू एक्स एंड वाई आर इंटीजर्स देन x less than equals to y. This is the condition. Okay, so let's see one by one. First is reflexive. What reflexive says? If x comma y and the relation is less than equals to, so if there is equal to sign, then definitely it is reflexive. Why it is reflexive? Just take one simple example. What is reflexive means if there is a set A and you have 1 2 3 three elements are there, then what is reflexive? If 1 1 2 2 3 3, the smallest relation basically. Okay, so that is reflexive. So हर किसी के कॉम्बिनेशन में सेम एलिमेंट आना, दैट इज रिफ्लेक्सिव. ओके, सो हियर द साइन इज इक्वल टू वाई. मीन्स इफ एक्स इज लेस देन इक्वल टू वाई, इट मीन्स एक्स इक्वल टू वाई ऑल्सो. सो 1 इक्वल टू 1, 2 इक्वल टू 1, 2 equal to 2 and 3 equal to 3. So this is how we can say that it is reflexive on any set of integers. Okay, so the answer is that this relation is reflexive. What about symmetric? Is this relation symmetric? What symmetric says? If x is less than y, the condition is if x is less than y, then y should also less than x. So is it possible? If x is less than equal to y, can you say y is also less than equal to x? No. What about if 1 is less than 2? Can you say 2 should also less than 1? No. So it means it can directly say that it is not symmetric. For any set, I mean for any set of integers, this relation less than equal to is not symmetric. What about antisymmetric? See, if we say antisymmetric says what antisymmetric says? Antisymmetric says if x is less than y, okay, so the condition is for x comma y, x is equal to y for all possible result. Here it is integer, so I basically take integer only for the definition. You can take real number. Basically this is valid for all numbers. So if x comma y is there, then x should equal to y. So here you can see if x is less than equal to y, there are possibilities where x is equal to y. So you can say that it is antisymmetric. Why it is antisymmetric? Because equal to y, the first condition, and the second condition is x is less than y, but y does not less than x. So this is the second condition. This is the case when x is not equals to y. So you can say that here it is antisymmetric also. What about asymmetric? Asymmetric says if x is less than y, or you can say if x comma y is present, then basically if x comma y is present with the condition x is not equal to y for all possible real numbers. Okay, so how can you say here if x is less than y, then y should not less than x. So this condition is satisfied when x is not equals to y. That is right. But there is one more condition, which is x equal to y. This equal to sign does not come, should not come basically in asymmetric. So this 1 comma 1 should not come in asymmetric condition. So we can say that if one condition it does not follow, then we can say it is also not asymmetric. What about equivalence? We have already read, right? What is equivalence? Equivalence means which is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So let's see first transitive. Okay, is it a transitive? What transitive says? Transitive says if x comma y is present and y comma z is present, then x comma z should present for all real numbers. Okay, so here what we can say, if x is less than equal to y and suppose there is if condition and y less than equals to z, then can we say x is less than equal to z? So this is satisfied for all, basically for any set of integer. Yes, it is satisfied. Okay, so because if x is less than equal to y and y is less than equal to z, then definitely x is less than equal to z. So we can say that it is transitive. It holds transitive property. So after that we can answer what, basically is it an equivalence relation? Equivalence relation says it is reflexive symmetric, it is not symmetric. So we can say here, if it is not symmetric, then it is definitely not equivalence relation. The last relation, not the last one, but see the first one, partial order. Now it is simple. Partial order says it should be reflexive, it should be antisymmetric, and it should be transitive. So yeah, yes, here it basically those three one are correct. It is reflexive, it is antisymmetric, and it is transitive. So yes, here we can say this is partial order. So the last one is irreflexive relation. What is irreflexive relation? Irreflexive relation says that if x comma y is present, then x does not equal to y for all real numbers. Means in any case, किसी भी केस में 1,1 2,2 सेम कॉम्बिनेशन में सेम नंबर वाले एलिमेंट्स नहीं आने चाहिए. बट इन दैट केस वी कांट से, बिकॉज इफ x इज लेस देन इक्वल टू y, there are some possibilities where x is equal to y. Okay, so for the relation this less than equal to, for irreflexive is on any set of integer does not follow. So we can say that it is not irreflexive. Okay, so here we can say that this relation less than equal to satisfy reflexive, antisymmetric, and partial order and transitive. Why not symmetric? Asymmetric, equivalence you know, because it is not symmetric. Why not symmetric? Because if x less than y, then it should not compulsory that y is also less than x. For that cases when x is not equal to y. Okay, and what about asymmetric? Asymmetric says basically ki there should not be that equal to sign here, because asymmetric does not follow a combination with same with equal element, means 1 1 2 2 3 3 with same element. Okay, and what about irreflexive? Same, irreflexive in the case this equal to sign basically does not follow irreflexive relation. Okay, so can you comment one more question? So one more question for you. Please comment the answer of that question. If suppose here it is less than equal to, what is the question is for any relation R, the same question. If there is x comma y, these are integer, these are belongs to integer, where x is less than y. Can you answer that? If the relation is less than equal to, then can you say whether it is reflexive, symmetric, antisymmetric, and all the other relations? Please comment whether it is reflexive, symmetric, or antisymmetric. Okay, and means which relation it satisfied. Okay, thank you, bye bye.